Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing software on PC, tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to simply zoom in and zoom out your clips in CapCut video editing software. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do when you're dragging your video clips into the timeline right here, what you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here where you have the zoom icon right here. Click on that. Then the zoom pane is going to pop up right here. You can decide to zoom in or zoom out your clip in timeline. So if you decide to zoom in, so go ahead and zoom in right here, or better still, you can use this particular plus sign right here. So the more you zoom, the more the clip is going to pop up on the screen right. So if you decide to zoom out, go ahead and use this minus sign right here. You can zoom out, and better still, you can use this slider to drag in or drag out. Everything depends on how you want to zoom in or you want to zoom out as far as your clip is concerned in CapCut video editing software. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CapCut video editing software on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.